Hello, welcome back to It's New. It's the best show ever. It's
Best.
just a new one myself. Greg, we don't need him. Mordy definitely don't need, so we're good to go, right, Nino?
Absolutely. We've got the best of the SEO, best of the paid ads news tellers in here. So why not?
Why not? All right, what news do you got for us?
So yeah, right now we've got latest from Google and all their AI stuff. Got some new AI features for Ads Advisor. Should I just go into it, or do you want to say yours?
No, and I'll be covering the OpenAI news, so you get into your stuff right now, and then I'll get into the OpenAI stuff.
Lovely. So Google is adding AI features to the Google Ads Advisor. Three main things: one around measurement, so we've got around compliance and just like tracking. So first of all, the Ads Advisor can now flag and help resolve policy violations automatically even before advertisers notice them. And I think this is very much, it just makes me think of, the ads reports from last year's, the safety ads reports about how AI is on top of taking down all the like scam ads. So yeah, AI is being put to the task to keep on doing that. So also it can now monitor accounts 24/7, surfacing risks like suspicious domains or inactive users through a new security dashboard. So you'll be able to see who's inactive in there. Certification that once took weeks can now be granted instantly or submitted with a single click. And yeah, so it's in terms of like, instead of waiting for user prompts now, so Ads Advisor is now been active in pretty much just looking for the things that could be wrong in terms of like security sides and fixes that could be made. So yeah, very much like your Google Ads PA trying to get you ahead of how well your ads are working.
Yeah, I haven't seen much of the community feedback on it, but I
Mm.
assume there's a whole big wide spectrum of love it, hate it. So I don't know.
Yeah.
I guess we'll see how it works out. And then on the OpenAI news, the ChatGPT ad manager interface was kind of leaked. I had like a GIF of it in action on Search Engine Roundtable, as well as screenshots. It was from, I can't pronounce the name, so I apologize. But it basically takes you through how to create a campaign, setting up budgets, conversion events, the start and end dates, as well as creating ad group names, your maximum CPC bid limits, which is anywhere from like, I think $3 to $5 per CPM, which is supposedly a big deal. And then some other stuff around there. So definitely take a look at that interface because the interesting part was the maximum CPC bid limit is anywhere from $3 to $5. So that I don't know if that should have been leaked, but Glenn Gay posted it from on Twitter, JUOKAZ. So it's out there.
And also even some information that these guys have not said this is under embargo or anything like that. So Optimizer and Athena will soon, very soon, look out for them being able to give you the ability to actually create, ChatGPT ads, well, for those who can have access to them. So Menachem has already created one through Optimizer's tool. He wrote an article on PPC Live for that. So if you guys want to check that out. So, but yeah. So Optimizer is allowing like a select few clients to do that. And yeah, Athena will be on that as well.
Very interesting. And then finally, OpenAI also released a new ads bot called OAI for Open Ads AI, I guess. And then so it's OAI Ads bot. And that's just basically their fourth new ad bot, which basically works like Google Ads bot. And it has like a few purposes. One, it validates the safety of the ads landing page, checks the landing pages that it complies with its ad policies, and 3, reviews the content of the landing page itself to make sure it complies and so forth. So if you do see that new bot on your website, that's from the new OpenAI ad bot. Anyway, that was a very quick one. We're back to hopefully tomorrow with more. It's new. Everyone have a great day. Thank you, Anu, for being here.
Pleasure.
Speak to you guys later. Bye-bye.
Bye.